Hi friends, in this video we discuss about derivative of implicit functions. First going to implicit functions, we have to define that is what is implicit functions and explicit function. A given function y equal to f of x, if y equal to f of x is a given function, it is called as explicit functions because here y term comes one side and x term comes one side. And explicit function means f of x comma y equal to c is called an sorry x and f of x comma y equal to c is called an implicit function. Means here x and y both the term comes on same side or maybe different, means they comes mixed is called as the implicit function. For example, it is x square plus y square equal to a square. This is equation of a circle, is nothing but an example of implicit function. And explicit means y equal to 4ax, 4 4ax को y square is equal to 4ax. This is equation of the parabola. This is nothing but an explicit function. And also here we solved examples on implicit, that is finding the derivatives of implicit function. For example, here given this is implicit function example because x and y here comes on the same side. If 2x plus 3y equal to sin y, then find dy by dx. So given function we find derivative. First we write a given function. What is the given? 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. So we know that is a derivative of composite functions. We have studied previous videos, and here the same method we apply here. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So we have derivative of 2x is that comes 2 into 1. Derivative of x is 1 plus 3 into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx we write, that is equal to. Now here derivative of, we know derivative of sin x is cos x, but here the variable is y. So we write derivative of sin y is cos y. Again with respect to x, that is dy by dx. So therefore cos y dy by dx, this term comes right hand side, minus 3 dy by dx equal to, we write 2. So therefore from both the terms dy by dx, a common term, take it outside, cos y minus 3 dy by dx equal to 2. So therefore dy by dx equal to 2 upon this term comes left hand side, that is denominator cos y minus 3, hence the solution. Similarly, one more example we discuss, that is if sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1, then find dy by dx. So given here sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. So derivative of differentiating with respect to x, we get that is d by dx of sin square x plus d by dx of cos square y equal to d by dx of 1. And what is the derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 we write that is constant 0. So therefore derivative of sin square x, what we write? This is the function of a function. First we that is differentiate with using the formula x raised to n formula apply. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x, because sin x whole square derivative 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, plus similarly this is derivative of cos square y is 2 cos y into d by dx of cos y equal to 0, because derivative of constant is 0. So therefore 2 sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus 2 cos y as it is, derivative of cos y is minus sin y. Again with respect to x derivative, that is dy by dx we write equal to 0. So therefore this is minus 2 sin y into cos y dy by dx. This term comes, I write comes left right hand side, that should be minus 2 sin x cos x. So therefore dy by dx equal to, this comes right hand side denominator, that is minus 2 sin x cos x upon minus 2 sin y cos y. So this is minus 2 throughout here, this is minus sign. So minus sign get cancelled, 2 sin x into cos x, I write it as sin 2x, and 2 sin y into cos y. Similarly cos, sorry, this is this comes, the solution is sin 2x upon sin 2y comes. This is the wrong one here, mistake, this is the mistake one. So therefore dy by dx equal to, we have the formula, that is sin 2a equal to 2 sin into cos u, right? So therefore 2 sin x into cos x, that is sin 2x. Similarly 2 sin y into cos y is sin 2y. Minus minus get cancelled. Okay. So next example is, find dy by dx if y plus sin y equal to cos x. So here given, that is y plus sin y equal to cos x. So differentiating with respect to x, we have, that is first term is dy by dx plus derivative of sin y is cos y into dy by dx we write is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So from this one take dy by dx common term, take it outside. Therefore 1 plus cos y into dy by dx equal to minus sin x. So this term comes denominator. So dy by dx equal to minus sin x upon 1 plus cos y, hence the solution. Similarly, so the next example is, find dy by dx if ax plus by square equal to cos y. So given is here ax plus by square equal to cos y. Differentiating with respect to x, we have derivative of a into derivative of x is 1 plus b constant and keep as it, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx we write is equal to derivative of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx. So therefore a equal to, this term comes left hand right hand side, that is minus sin y dy by dx minus 2 by dy by dx. So dy by dx is a common term from both the terms. So therefore minus sin take outside, minus sin y plus 2 by into dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx equal to, this term comes where at denominator. So the solution should be dy by dx equal to minus a upon sin y plus 2 by, hence the solution. Similarly here, if x cube plus 2x x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81, then find dy by dx. So first we write a given function, that is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81. So differentiating this with respect to x, we have, that is derivative of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of y cube equal to d by dx of 81. Means we here we apply, that is addition rule. Means each term we write derivative. So therefore derivative of x cube is 3x square. The x addition formula apply here. Plus this is the product of two terms. Here we apply derivative of uv. We know the derivative of uv is our first function into second function. We keep first function as it is, plus x square into derivative of second function dy by dx, plus second function as it is y into d by dx of x square, plus x into first function as it is d by dx of y square, plus second function as it is y square into derivative of dx by dx, plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx. This is the function of a function, equal to derivative of 81 is 0. Why? Because 81 is a constant. So therefore 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x plus x into 2y dy by dx plus y square dx by dx get that is equal to 1 plus 3y square dy by dx equal to 0. Now we dy by dx common term, that is dy by dx is 3 terms common. We write it is as x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx. Here this is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square into dy by dx. For this term dy by dx is a common term is equal to, we remaining terms right hand side, so that should be negative now, minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this term comes left denominator in a right hand side. So therefore dy by dx equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, hence the solution. So the next example is, if xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. Find dy by dx. This is the implicit function. Given function first we write as it is, xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. So differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square equal to derivative of 10x plus dy by dx. So this is the product terms, product of two terms. So first function as it is into derivative of second function, that is dy by dx, plus second function keep as it is, y, derivative of first function dx by x, that is derivative of x, plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx equal to derivative of 10x is secant square x plus dy by dx. Now dy by dx, all the term take it to one side. So here x plus 2y minus 1 dy by dx equal to secant square x, dx by dx is 1, this y remains, that take the right hand side, that should be minus y. So this term now take denominator, so therefore dy by dx equal to secant square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1, hence the solution. Similarly, this is the next example, that is if sin square y plus cos xy equal to k, find dy by dx. So given function we write first sin square y plus cos xy equal to k. So differentiating with respect to x, that is d by dx of sin square y plus d by dx of cos xy equal to d by dx of k. Derivative of k, what it comes, that is 0, because that is constant one. So here derivative of sin square y is 2 sin y into derivative of sin y plus derivative of cos x, we write here first, xy means minus sin xy comes, because this is a function of a function, chain rule apply here, into derivative of xy equal to 0, because derivative of constant is 0 here. So 2 sin y into cos y, derivative of sin y is cos y, into dy by dx, because with respect to x we have differentiating, minus sin xy. Now this is product of two terms, x dy by dx, first function as it is, derivative of second function is dy by dx, plus second function as it is y into dx by dx equal to 0. So the solution is sin y into 2 sin y into cos y is sin 2y into dy by dx, minus this is multiply this one, minus x sin xy dy by dx minus y sin xy equal to 0. So this term we write left hand right hand side. So from this one first two terms, dy by dx is a common term, take it outside, so remaining is sin 2y minus x sin xy dy by dx equal to y sin xy. So therefore dy by dx equal to y sin xy upon sin 2y minus x sin xy, hence the solution. Similarly, this is one example, if x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100, the algebraic equation is given. So we find dy by dx, find dy by dx. So given is x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. So differentiating with respect to x, we have derivative of x square plus derivative of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to derivative of 100. Derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of xy is x into dy by dx, first function as it is, derivative of second function, plus second function as it is, into derivative of first function is d by dx of x, plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. So therefore 2x, from this first and last term, this is dy by dx of common term, take it outside, that is x plus 2y plus y equal to 0, because this term is 1. So therefore x plus 2y dy by dx equal to this remaining terms we write right hand side as minus of 2x plus y. So this comes now left right hand side denominator. So dy by dx equal to minus of 2x plus y upon x plus 2y, or that is equal to minus of 2x plus y upon x plus 2y, hence this solution. So here end of this derivative of implicit functions. So you have better understand, go through the example. So okay, we stop here. Thank you.